this section we are going to study about modalities of echo, that is image echo and Doppler echo. The image echo is further divided into 2D echo and M-mode echo, and the Doppler echo is divided into continuous wave Doppler and pulse wave Doppler. In this section we are going to study about 2D echo. 2D echo. Ultrasound reflected from a tissue interface distorts the piezoelectric crystal and generates an electric signal. This signal produces a dot on the display screen, as we can see on the screen, and the location of that dot indicates the distance of the structure from the transducer, and the brightness of the dot indicates the strength of the returning crystal. Signal. So the superimposition of simultaneously reflected dots build up a real-time image on the display screen. So once more, the location of the dot indicates the distance of the structure from transducer, whereas the brightness of the dot indicates the strength of the returning signal. Now we are going to study the uses of 2D echo. To evaluate the anatomy of the heart, to know the intracardiac masses and extracardiac abnormalities. That is, intracardiac masses means vegetations, etc. Extracardiac abnormalities means pericardial effusion. To know the wall motion of the ventricles. Next, to know the ventricular wall thickness. To know the dimensions of the chamber. Stroke volume, ejection fraction and cardiac output can be calculated. What is stroke volume and cardiac output? Stroke volume means volume of blood ejected from the ventricle per beat, whereas cardiac output is volume of blood ejected from the ventricle per minute. The difference is the stroke volume means volume of blood ejected from the ventricle per beat, whereas the cardiac output is volume of blood ejected from the ventricle per minute. So once more, to evaluate, the first point is to evaluate the anatomy of the heart. Second use is intracardiac masses and extracardiac abnormalities can be found out. Third point is wall motion of the ventricles. Fourth point is cups of valve can be visualized. Remember, all valves have 3 cusps except mitral valve. Mitral valve have only 2 cusps, whereas the other valves have 3 cusps. Next, to know the ventricular wall thickness. Sixth use is to know the dimension of chamber. Seventh point is to calculate the stroke volume, ejection fraction, etc. cardiac output, etc. It is also used to place the cursor line for M-mode echo and to position the sample volume for Doppler echo. This is 2D echo and the uses of 2D echo.